Alright, as you can see, I got a big box from Teslaunch to review for Cybertruck items. Let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this thing opened and we'll see what we got inside. Alright, okay, we need something to cut it open with. Alright, so this. There's a lot of tape on this thing. Be careful, I don't want to cut anything that's in there. Alright, cut this open. Okay, hopefully you guys can see everything. Let's go ahead and take a look. So, we got, well, it's going to be difficult to get this out. Alright, so we got this. There's a little tray here. It looks like for the center divide, the console, the little thing at the foot area of the driver and passenger. What else we got? These look like the frunk. I think this is for the frunk mats. I'm gonna have to empty out my front area. This is a smaller one. I think this is for the under storage in the tailgate area. Okay, got oops, what's that? Okay, these look like little push rivet thingies for mud flaps. Yep, these look like big mud flaps. Okay, we'll see how these do. It's a lot of stuff. Oh man, I'm gonna have to do these all in a separate video, so if you want to see each thing, you're gonna have to watch those videos. I'm just right now unbagging everything. Alright, we got another 2 mud flaps, so for the front and for the back, I'm gonna have to figure out if they're different or if they're the same. Okay, what else we got? This is the big one. I think this is, okay, well, let's take out the small thing first. Center wheel caps. Okay, so since they don't have the hubcaps yet, they got these hexagon things. It's kind of, they ended up putting circles here, which is a little disappointing because Tesla was trying to hide all the circles, right? But without the wheel covers, they actually have those circles there. So, all right, so we got obviously 4 of those. It has instructions, and it has this little tool. I don't know, that circle I'm guessing is to pull them off. Again, we're gonna have to, I'm gonna do a different video for each one, but they have little circle wheel covers with a metal ring, center cap without logo. Okay, so we're gonna have to install those later, and yeah, right, this is if you want to keep the original alloy wheel looking thing, and this has the little metal covers that just go on top. I hope these are gonna not be too difficult to pull off. Some of them it's difficult to take them out of there. All right, so what's this? There's a piece of paper in here. Okay, this is for the mud flap installation. So left, right. I think they look okay. They are slightly different. So yeah, we're gonna have to install those later. You do have to turn the wheel a bit to be able to access them. So I'll do a video of that. And this seems to be the truck bed. Yeah, this is the truck bed floor mats. So got all that. Lots of stuff to review. I gotta be careful because I don't want to scrape them all up on the ground. But yeah, look for this video. Hopefully you guys were able to see everything I unboxed or unbagged or whatever you want to call it. Unboxed and unbagged. Okay. You can see all the stuff there. That's what I'm going to be reviewing. So yeah, watch for those videos. Maybe I'll put a link to each one in the description below. And see you guys over there. Bye for now.